It is lesson 3. Where do we use be going to and where do we use well? I am here to clear this problem. Hello everyone, welcome to Hamid Talash Talks. In 30 days crash course, it is lesson 3 and it is about future with well in be going to. We are going to learn how to describe future with well in be going to. Both of them are different? No. They are used in same structure. دا په same یو قسم structure کې use کیږي. دواړه د یو future خبره کوي. د دې د sentence structure same دی. Subject, will plus base form of the verb and object. If you want to avoid will, you can use be going to. But where do we use be going to and where do we use well? That is the main problem that students are having, and I am here to clear this problem to you all today. Dear all, will is used for unplanned or not decided or unsure actions. کله چې تاسو د یو داسې پلانز باره کې خبرې کوئ چې هغه تاسو ډیسایډ کړی نه دی یا مخکې نه پلان کړی نه دی یا تاسو دا نه دی پلان کړي چې دا کار به په دې وخت کې په دغه مدت کې کیږي, then we are using well. For example, someone is asking you, what will you do after the class? No, I will go home, maybe I'll go home, probably I'll go home. I mean, you're not sure about what you are going to do after the class. And if you are having plan, stop plan Jordi, and you want to describe something with proper plan, or the proper plans are described, then you are going to use be going to. 100% sure actions are going to be described in the be going to, sorry. For example, you are saying, hey, what will you do after the class? I am going to go home. I am going to go to my chemistry class. I am going to go to my bio class, because you are planned about it. When you are not decided with something, your action, your topic, your she's barakita decision then you should use well. As we said, unplanned, undecided, unsure actions when we describe, we use well. For sure, decided, and planned actions, we are using be going to. In time of conversation, you decide something. Start friend tatawai, I am going to take a cup of tea. Decision a cup of tea. With the friend you want to go, you want to accompany him. That's why you are also saying, I'll go with you too. I will also have a cup of tea. Delta be going to zakan use come decision that is in time of speaking. You did not have any decided plan for it. Besides that, we use be going to and well both for the prediction in the future. When you people are gonna give prediction about any action, kala che taso de yoshis peshgui koi, makhki na yoshis peshgui koi, asman raised da. The sky, there is cloud on the sky, and you are saying that it will rain today. It is going to rain today. You are sure more. That is yat sure, and then you are using be going to. And if you're somehow sure, you are using will in that case. Besides that, there is one difference, and you need to know about it too. Will is more formal as compared to be going to. So in formal gatherings, in formal communication or conversation in your organization with colleagues or family, if the communication tone is formal, then you have to use will in that case, not be going to. Avoid it, because be going to is a bit less formal. Now, after knowing all these things, you may have little confusion. Let's move on towards the conversation, and in that specific conversation, it is gonna be clear to you guys that how we use be going to and will. Don't forget that with will we are using some phrases. Probably, I guess, I think, perhaps, maybe. For example, what are you going to do after the class? Maybe I'll go home. Probably I'll go to the park. Perhaps I'll go to the cafe. So these all phrases are used for undecided, unplain, or uncertain or unsure actions. I hope چې تاسو ته اوس be going to a well دواړه clear شوي وي. And I hope you understood that in a right manner. او اوس درته پکې دا confusion نه وي چې چېرته be going to استعمالیږي او چېرته will استعمالیږي. Be with us till our next tutorial. Next tutorial ki badarta something very interesting and important, a very amazing topic badarta rawda. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Leave your comment in the comment box. Have a great time.